Hi everyone, welcome to MacTag TV. We are here to present you one of the best styles of Giovanni Couture. This is the 4247. The 4247 was one of the best sellers, and in the nude silver, this is actually the silver aqua, which is a very pretty color. It's very fresh, it's very pretty. I love the neckline of this dress. It's this very nice sweetheart neckline, not like any other sweetheart neckline, you know. This one actually has this little point right here which makes the dress look very sophisticated, and it's a bed of crystal and beading and sequins, and it's going all through the dress, ending up right here on patches of crystals and beading. And the dress does have a very sexy slit. So what you have to know about the slits on Giovanni Couture is most of the time the slits are sewn onto the seam, so if you're not comfortable having a slit, you know, you can actually close it. It's a very easy thing to do. Let's look at the back of this dress, the 4247. So the back is very pretty. It's going to be a higher neckline. All type of undergarments are definitely possible with this dress. You're going to be very comfortable with it. The zipper is going to be an invisible zipper onto the middle, and the dress is meant to fit you really well, so your curves are going to show up. This dress does have a train as well, and as you can see, the patches of crystals go all through the dress. It's a scattered crystal work. It's very pretty. So if you have any questions about this dress, if you want to know more about the 4247, because we do also have the 4247, the short version, you can always contact us. You can email us. You can also visit www.mactagmart.com for more tips. Thank you.